Hi everyone, this is Tammy with Crazy Cat Lady Crafting, and this episode we're going to work on a half double crochet stitch. See here I'm working with the pink section of the Lion brand Mandala unicorn colorway. I have this left over from a previous project that I was working on. I will be using a boy size G 4.25 millimeter hook, and I am not sponsored by any of these companies. They are simply the products that I have for my own personal use. So first thing we're going to do for the half double crochet is we are going to put a little slip knot in there, just like that. Okay, then you insert the hook into the loop and pull it tight against the shaft of the needle, or the shaft of the hook, I'm sorry. I knit, and I tend to use the two words interchangeably even though they're not, so I'll have to correct myself a few times, but it shouldn't be too long before I get it. Okay, first step is going to be to chain 22. Okay, there we go. We have our chain 22 there, and it's time to start with the half double crochet stitch. Okay, the first thing to remember about the half double crochet is that you are still going to need 2 chains here, just like you would if you were doing a single crochet. Now here's the difference. Okay, we've got our hook and our loop here. For the half double crochet, we're going to loop it around the hook once into the second chain from the hook. Just get the right side of that chain there. There we go. And then we're going to pull a loop through. As you can see, you now have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to grab the yarn and pull through all 3 at one time. This gives you that half double crochet. You can identify it because you can see the 3 loops that you went through. Okay, so we're going to do a few more of those. And be careful just to go through the tops of the loop. Let me get that back down here for you. And as I've said before, working into this first little bit of a chain can be tricky. It's something that, you just get better with practice. So don't give up. Let's keep on going here. Remember to go through all 3 loops. Pull this loop up here, see? And just through all 3 of them, just like that. Let's take that stitch out there. I messed it up, and we're going to just pick it up again and work it again. And that is the easiest way to correct any kind of mistake that you make in crocheting, is simply to pull it out and try again. I've been doing this, not that you'd notice it from the videos, but I've been doing this for, over 30 years. I'm just new to the YouTube video posting, and so I get a little nervous, so bear with me, please. Here we are coming up on the end of our chain here, so we're getting there. Oh. There we go. All the way through. And we're down to our last 3 stitches here, and then I'll be able to show you how to work that right up into the next row, and then you'll have everything you need to know to do this particular stitch. here we go. Last stitch. Oh, let's get in there like that and pull a loop through, and here we go. Our first row of half double crochet is finished. You can see you got a really defined stitch pattern there. You know, that makes it very easy when you're learning because it helps to know exactly where your stitches are. So now, the way we keep going with this is we chain 2, 1, 2, and then we turn. Okay, and we're going to wrap, pull through, and pull through again. And that's how you work your half double crochets. Second row is always easier than the first, so don't give up. Just, if you're having a hard time, just really practice there. So here we go. The tension that you're going to have is actually individual to each person, so your stitches may not be quite the same as mine. Everybody crochets just a little bit differently, so there we go. I think that's enough for us to see exactly what we got going on here. And this is the half double crochet stitch. Feel free to like, comment, positive feedback is welcome. And if you have any questions, you can either comment them below the video, or you can reach out at crazycatladycrafting@gmail.com. Y'all have a great day, and hopefully you found this video helpful.